Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to design on Mailchimp. So, designing in Mailchimp will be only contributed to the template design. So, there is not such like logo design, something like that. Only have the templates design. Let me show you an example. Here we have a couple of designs. So once you open your dashboard or your account, you'll view a couple of email templates that will be launched in front of you just to attract you and show you all or some of the MailChimp library that they have. If I went down here after I've clicked on view all, you'll find a lot and a lot of template that could be very useful for you that you might want to use. Now, for the moment, I'm not going to use anything of these. I'm going to start with something from scratch, as I do with every other video. Also, guys, I mentioned that from now, that most of the templates that you have seen are basically taught a trial, so they are paid. I can't use all of them. That's why I would like to go with Scratch. So let's go with Scratch, as you can see here. And once it is opened, I'm going to start designing on it. So to start designing, guys, is pretty simple. I've done many videos about this, but I'm going to explain it to you once more. Of course, here I'm going to delete everything. Beside this footer, I can't delete it because I don't have the premium version. But overall, here I'm just gonna start dragging and placing stuff. For example, I'm going to start by putting the logo up here, and here I should add the logo. I'm going to scale it to the minimal possible, and I'm going to go back. Let's go and add like let's add divider. This is like a colored one. I'm going to add color blue to it, or let's keep it like this. And then I'm gonna add the text, for example. Here, title, heading, and I'm going to add right below it a paragraph. Hello. And here you could actually add block color and so go on. So this is something that you could be using to design templates on Mailchimp. Once you have done everything that you need, you simply have to click right here to save, and your design has been done successfully. So that was it, guys. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.